You import an order header table and an order details table from an Azure SQL database using Power Query. Both tables feature an order ID column that establishes a relationship between them. Which Power Query editor feature should you use to join both tables into one query containing columns from both? The options are Option A, merge queries. Option B, combine files. Option C, append queries.
Let's think about how we handle multiple tables in Power Query when we want to bring related data together. Often, data is split across different tables, like headers and details, connected by an identifier. We need to consider the different ways Power Query allows us to combine data structures, whether by adding columns side by side based on a matching key, or stacking rows on top of each other, without giving away which feature does which.
In my view, the correct answer is option A, merge queries. To combine two related tables side by side using a common key, such as an order ID, you must use the merge queries feature in Power Query. This feature functions similarly to a SQL join operation, allowing you to bring columns from both tables into a single unified query.
On the other hand, append queries is used to stack rows vertically, much like a SQL union, combining tables that share the same schema. Combine files is specifically designed to merge multiple files from a single data source folder, rather than performing relational table merges. Keep this distinction in mind for your exam when deciding between merging columns and appending rows.